ndilinde endihamba nayo. Wait. Wait, they say. Wait, I do. For what? For who? The road is dust. The air is thick. The sun is neither rising nor setting. It just hangs. Heavy. Watching. They do not tell you this, that waiting is not empty. That waiting is a place. That waiting has weight. I waited for a sign. I waited for a voice. I waited for a name to call mine. But time did not move. The journey is not the road. The journey is not the arrival. The journey is the waiting. The not knowing. The standing in between. I am here. I am waiting. And I know now that waiting is the journey. Waiting is the journey. I am waiting for one who is in me. Tilinde nihamba naye. Tilinde nihamba naye. I am waiting for the one who is in me. Tilinde endihamba naye. Wait. Wait.